my name's Michael. I'm the Principal Chiropractor here at Chichester Chiropractic Health Centre. Today I'm going to be showing you a stretch called Cobra Pose, otherwise known as Sphinx Pose. This stretch is designed to help to add extension or a back bend into your lower, middle and upper back, helping to take pressure off the joints, helping to take pressure off the nerves and helping to regain that type of mobility back through the spine. Now, in doing this stretch, it's not uncommon for it to be uncomfortable at first, so please go very gentle. If you can't find a comfortable way of doing it, even with just very little movement, please back off, stop, and when we pick up at our next appointment, we'll work out why. Otherwise, let's get to it. So, now I'm going to be showing you Cobra or Sphinx Pose. Now, there's three different versions of this I'm going to run through. I'm going to run through an easy, a moderate, and a hard version. Now, I'd like everyone to start with the easy, see how that feels for the body, both during and afterwards. If it feels good, if it feels easy to do, brilliant. We can then, the next time you come to do these, go to the moderate. If the moderate feels good, you can push into it, you don't get any discomfort. Again, you can then move to the slightly harder version. But otherwise, let's get to showing you these. So for these, you're going to be laying onto your front. You're going to have your hands just under the shoulders. You're going to slightly lift the chin up towards your chest. And for the easy version, all we're going to do is just slightly peel the chest off the floor. So haven't even lifted the rib cage off. You've still got the lower lips resting on the floor. You're just starting to encourage that curvature into the upper, middle and lower back. Holding there for about 15 seconds. Slowly let yourself come back down. Bring the head back down to the floor. Give yourself a couple of seconds just to rest, and I always like to go for at least 2 or 3 repetitions of this. So take it as far as you feel you can go. You can use the hands to slightly push, so you're not putting all of that pressure into the muscles in the upper back. You're going to hold there, slowly come back down. So that's the easy version. Now for a more advanced version, you're going to take your body weight onto your elbows directly underneath the shoulders. You're going to lift the head up, and now you can see the curve here comes a lot deeper into that mid and lower back. You're going to again take it as far as you feel is comfortable. Hold there 10, 15, 20 seconds. Slowly come back down. And again, I like to do 2 repetitions of this, so let myself relax and then coming back into that position. As I always find that second and third time, I can go that little bit further. I can get that little bit more from the stretch. And then again, slowly let myself come back down. So that's the moderate version. Now the hard version, it is a lot harder. And if you've had any issues in your lower back, especially between your L5 and your S1, this can put a fair bit of pressure onto it. So go easy and just feel your way into it. So for this, hands under the shoulders again, just like you did in the easy position, but this time, instead you're pushing up. Now, you may not go all the way to locked out elbows, but if you feel that's comfortable, great. Now here, my pelvis is lifted off the floor. All of my lower body weight is tractioning into my lower back, taking it into full extension as far as I can comfortably go. Holding there 10, 15, 20 seconds. Slowly bring yourself back down. Now after this more advanced version, I like to let myself rest for a little bit longer, maybe 10, 15 seconds, and then I'll go back up for my second time. All the way up, full extension, holding there, and then again after 10, 15, 20 seconds, slowly let myself come back down. Now if you have been recommended to do the child's pose, which I have a video on, you want to do this before doing the child's pose, as they both complement each other when it's done Cobra Pose first and child's pose second. Otherwise, enjoy this stretch and I'll see you on the next video.